Hi Aries, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for May 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot and I'll also use this love oracle deck that I have here. Aries, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of April, stepping into May 2022, we have the Page of Wands. I think you were quite restless and creative as well. Perhaps you wanted to understand the meaning of your life or you wanted greater clarity, whether professionally or personally. Communication had also increased at this time. Communication had also brought in opportunities for you. Perhaps sometimes, Aries, you were also a bit flustered on account of disagreement with loved ones. Even colleagues may have failed to follow instructions. That is why you may have felt that you have to review the task. I think the key here was for you to be more accommodating as a person. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Emperor card. This is your energy. Emperor is the fourth card in the deck. So certainly I think Aries, you're being asked to be mindful of the fact that you needn't be too authoritative. This is in the challenge position. So certainly Aries, you need to work closely with colleagues. Maybe there are going to be some misunderstandings. You should be mindful of your words. Sometimes, you may also feel as though you're being dragged or you're being provoked to react. I think this month, Aries, you need to compromise with others. Perhaps this is also the month when you should also focus on learning. For this month, we have the Hangman here. This is another major arcana here, so definitely it is going to be a month which could be quite trying with respect to your health or with respect to professional matters. I think you need to prioritize. Your schedules could also go for a toss. Sometimes you may feel as though you're hanging by the thread. You don't want to sacrifice yourself. I think it's imperative, Aries, for you to use your brain and make the most of the material vibration that this month is going to present. I think you should ink those days, but you should also focus on your health. Your responsibilities could also increase this month because colleagues may be absent. That is why I think you have to step up. Some disappointments are definitely on the cards. Perhaps you're also expecting a higher position at work, but you could be disappointed. Maybe some of the work offers at hand are not to your liking. Largely this month, I think the work pressure is definitely going to mount on you. The first 10 days of May, we have the Seven of Wands. Like I said, Aries, you need to be more creative. Maybe there are disruptions at work. You're going to be very taxed. Colleagues may be absent. Or there's going to be a change in your schedule. So you need to focus on what's important. Maybe there are clients or patrons who expect you to surrender to what they want. But then there's going to be somebody who is going to defend you. Maybe this person is also going to put this client in his place by being firm. I think you needn't surrender to what everybody else desires from you. Oftentimes, Aries, in these first 10 days, I think you're somebody who is quite driven. You want to get up early and you want to complete the tasks at hand. Perhaps, Aries, you will also benefit if you seek divine intervention. I think you need to help others as well. You're quite generous with your time, Aries, and this month is giving you the opportunity to do just. The next 10 days, that is 11 to 20th May, we have the Justice card. Again, karma is at play here. What you sow, what you reap. We did clarify the Justice card and we have the Six of Cups here. Certainly you need to network a bit. Maybe you're going to be emotional here as well, but then you will also benefit if you tap into your contacts, your acquaintances, your relatives. I think even if job interviews are lined up at this time, you need to be very prudent while answering these questions. Again, in this period also, I believe that there could be an estrangement in a relationship. Maybe you're drifting apart from someone or there's going to be some kind of disagreement here which you could do without. Nevertheless, I think Aries, in these days, I think you will also be someone who is going to benefit on account of preferential treatment. I think even if there are delays, you're going to be well assisted at this time. Some of you could also want to quit from the workplace, but then these are the challenges which make us or break us, Aries. So you need to face them headlong. The final days of May, that is 21st to 31st May, we have the Four of Wands here. Surprises are definitely going to be there for you. I think your personal allure, your personal magnetism is also going to be at its peak. Perhaps you're going to be coming across as someone who is quite ingenious, you're quite creative as well. You're somebody who is quite purposeful in your ways. I think you're also going to impress all and sundry, especially your boss, with your output and your ability to get ahead of the pack. Maybe there are co-workers who are always imitating your ideas, but your boss does know that you are a step ahead of the pack. Nevertheless, I think Aries, this month you should counter jealousy. I think spiritual cleansing will also benefit you. Other than that, Aries, in case you're in the leadership position, I think you should be careful because there are going to be unruly juniors. And this month there could be an increase in paperwork or technical work. Another thing, maybe you're also going to do up your home this month because the Four of Wands talks about some developments on the home front. With respect to your love life, I have the card It's Safe for You to Love from the Romance Angel deck. It says you open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Perhaps Aries, there are certain disappointments with respect to matters of the heart. We do have the Six of Cups, so for some of you there could be an estrangement in a relationship. But then the angels are also asking you to be open to other suitors or those who are vying for your attention. Definitely there are going to be suitors, even younger members of the opposite sex seem to be smitten. I think you should also not string anyone along. If you're disinterested, then you should move away from such attention. Those who fancy you may also feel that you're quite self-centered. Maybe you're coming across as someone who is cold shouldering them. In case Aries, you're interested, then you should play ball. But in case you're disinterested, I think you need to shut the door on them. I think there could also be admirers on account of the social media this month. Nevertheless, we also have this card. Reality is that I'm never over you. In case there's a break in a relationship, I think even if you're single, there are those suitors. They can't seem to get over you. The fact of life is that they are constantly reminded of you. We also have this card, Four of Wands here, which is a twin flame card in your reading. I think romancing Aries, your lover and you will discuss the feelings that you have for each other. Maybe your lover is also somebody who is quite insecure. Maybe he feels that you have options. That is why this is making him question your commitment to the relationship. I think you need to reassure this person. Maybe you are going to let him or her know that you can never be over him. Oftentimes, Aries, you and your person could also be discussing work. I think you will have witty exchange with your person. Sometimes, you could also question the relationship. Maybe you feel that your beloved isn't honest. I think you shouldn't come to such presumptions. Besides, honesty is the basis of any relationship. On the other hand, those of you who are already married, I think you may be feeling a bit down and out. Maybe you want your person to acknowledge you. Maybe this person is also quite demanding because we do have the Emperor card in your reading. Maybe this person expects you to be there all the time. Oftentimes, Aries, this month you could also feel as though your spouse is concealing things from you. For some Aries, there could also be the issue of expenses mounting this month, so you could have discussions over the same. I think you should also take care of your health, or somebody around you could be unwell, so money could be spent on the same. The message from the universe is Wasp, which talks about jealousy. Aries, earlier in this reading, we did talk about colleagues who are jealous, who are always imitating your ideas. Imitation is the best form of flattery, but then this may not go down well with you. So the best way to combat envy and jealousy is to keep your cards close to your chest. We also talked about spiritual cleansing. You know you shouldn't resist the change which is going to come about in your life in May. You know you need to act on your dreams this month. Largely Aries, this month you need to be prepared because there's going to be hectic activity. I think you need to brace yourself because this could have an effect on your health. Besides Aries, the universe is also asking you to be open to receiving love. I hope Aries you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.